how to download and install Cisco WebEx on PC or laptop. So if you want to download the WEBEX, which is WebEx meeting application, then what you can do is open up a browser, any browser which you're comfortable with. And I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search and then search for WebEx download. And once you've searched, here you will have download the WebEx desktop and mobile app. So you can simply go for the first search, which is www.webex.com, and here you will have an option to download. So you can click on this, which is for Windows. You can go for this one or this one. You can choose any one of the options. So click on the first, and it will start the download. So go for the upper right, click on full download history, and then click on show in folder and open up this, and it's starting to install. So till now we've downloaded the application and now it's being installed. So just wait for it to install, and now click on accept, and that's it. Now your WebEx has been installed. You can simply sign in or you can create a new account and you can use the application. So that's it. That's how you can install or download. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.